Welcome to Review Rumble. The best cutting board pull-out organizer is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly useful additions to any kitchen, transforming cluttered countertops into streamlined workspaces and making meal prep a breeze. If you're tired of digging through cabinets for your cutting boards or dealing with them sliding around precariously, this innovative organizer offers a sleek, accessible solution that keeps your essential kitchen tools neatly tucked away and always within reach, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Number 5. Spectrum Euro Kitchen Organizer Metal Dish Rack. Tired of a messy kitchen counter? Introducing a sleek solution to organize your essentials. This organizer is designed to hold multiple cutting boards and plates efficiently. It fits perfectly on your countertop or inside a cabinet. Crafted from high-quality metal with a satin nickel finish, it's built to last and complements any kitchen decor. Its thoughtful design maximizes your kitchen space, keeping frequently used items easily accessible. The elegant satin nickel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen organization. Ideal for storing not just cutting boards and plates, but also your bakeware, keeping everything neat and tidy. What we like? This organizer offers ample space with 8 slots, perfect for drying dishes and storing bakeware. Its sleek satin nickel finish adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to air-dry dishes and keep cutting boards accessible, this is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. This organizer has a smooth sliding mechanism, making it easy to access cutting boards. The sturdy construction ensures it can hold multiple cutting boards without bending. It fits perfectly in my cabinet, maximizing vertical space for cutting board storage. Number 4. VANKEAN Rolling Laptop Bag for Women. Introducing the VANKEAN Rolling Laptop Bag, designed for the modern woman on the go. It's crafted from high-quality, water-repellent nylon fabric, ensuring your belongings stay dry and protected. This bag features 2 main compartments, including a padded section for your 15.6-inch laptop, keeping it safe and secure. Multiple pockets help organize your essentials, making it perfect for overnight business trips. Travel with peace of mind thanks to the built-in RFID blocking technology. This feature protects your sensitive information from unauthorized scans, safeguarding your passports and credit cards. Built to last, it boasts durable metal zippers, a waterproof bottom, and a sturdy aluminum telescoping handle that adjusts to your height. It's designed for both durability and ease of use. Navigate through airports and busy streets with ease. Its smooth rolling wheels and adjustable telescoping handle make travel comfortable and convenient. Plus, a strap allows you to secure it to a larger suitcase. Designed to fit most airline overhead compartments, this bag meets most carry-on size requirements, making your travel planning simpler. What we like? This rolling bag is crafted from water-repellent nylon and features secure RFID pockets for your valuables. The stylish light dusty pink color makes it a fashionable accessory for any trip. If you are a business traveler or someone who needs a reliable and chic carry-on that protects your electronics and personal information, this bag is ideal for you. What people say. The organizer is easy to install and fits perfectly in my cabinet. It keeps my cutting boards organized and easily accessible. The sturdy construction ensures it can hold multiple cutting boards without bending. Number 3. HOLDN Storage Pull-Out Organizer. Tired of a cluttered kitchen? This organizer is designed to keep all your bakewares, cutting boards, and trays neatly in place. It's the perfect solution for maximizing space in narrow cabinets. Keep your trays perfectly organized with adjustable dividers. You can customize the fit for various items like cutting boards, baking pans, or serving trays, ensuring they stay steady. Experience effortless access with its smooth sliding system that pulls out completely. The added stabilizer bar prevents it from getting stuck, making kitchen and pantry organizing a breeze. Setting it up is incredibly easy. It comes mostly assembled and requires just a few screws for installation, with clear instructions provided. It's designed to fit cabinet openings of 9.75 inches and larger. We stand by our product's quality with a lifetime limited warranty. Organizing your kitchen has never been this simple and stress-free. We are confident you'll love how easy it makes keeping your kitchen neat. If you're not completely satisfied, simply contact us for a solution. It's that simple. What we like? This organizer is designed with adjustable dividers and a smooth sliding system, making it perfect for narrow cabinet spaces. It efficiently stores cutting boards, baking pans, and trays, keeping them neatly in place. If you have limited cabinet space and need a robust solution to declutter your kitchen bakeware, this is the organizer for you. What people say. The organizer is very sturdy and well made, with a smooth sliding mechanism that makes it easy to access cutting boards. It fits perfectly in my cabinet and holds multiple cutting boards of different sizes securely. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much space, which is great for smaller kitchens. Number 2. ORDORA Expandable Under Cabinet Pot and Pan Organizer. Tired of cluttered cabinets? Introducing a versatile organizer that extends from 11.8 to 22.8 inches, fitting perfectly under your cabinet or on your countertop. It efficiently stores pots, pans, and lids of all sizes, keeping your kitchen tidy. Our organizer features reinforced U-shaped dividers and deep grooves to keep your cookware stable and secure. It doubles as a baking sheet organizer, providing a durable solution for even the tightest kitchens. Designed with your cookware in mind, it includes side protective strips and anti-slip rubber tubing to prevent scratches. It also neatly organizes pot lids, ensuring damage-free storage. This organizer offers 2 ways to maximize your space. Use it as a single unit or split it into 2 sections for pots and lids. It's compact enough for countertops or shelves, adapting to any space. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required. Snap it together in just 1 minute. It vertically stores pots, lids, and trays, instantly transforming your kitchen storage. Whether used under the cabinet, on shelves, or countertops, this organizer is a flexible solution for pots and pans. It's the perfect addition for anyone looking to declutter and optimize their kitchen. What we like. This organizer features an expandable frame and a versatile 2-in-1 design, allowing for flexible storage of pots, pans, and lids. Its tool-free assembly makes setup a breeze. If you need a customizable and easy-to-install solution for organizing cookware and bakeware in cabinets or on countertops, this adaptable organizer is an excellent option. What people say. The Pullout organizer is a great space saver, keeping my cutting boards neatly stored and out of sight. Installation was surprisingly easy, and it fits perfectly under my cabinet, maximizing the use of dead space. Number 1. Rev-A-Shelf 5 Pullout Wooden Bakeware Organizer. Tired of cluttered cabinets? Introducing a revolutionary wooden organizer designed to bring order to your kitchen. It's the perfect solution for storing baking sheets, foil, and wraps. This organizer is specifically designed for full-height cabinets, ensuring a snug fit. Its thoughtful dimensions make it a versatile addition to your kitchen storage. Get organized in no time with this fully assembled organizer. Crafted from durable maple wood, it includes adjustable brackets for easy attachment to your cabinet floor and door. Experience the convenience of our advanced soft close system. The full extension ball bearing slides ensure a smooth, quiet operation every time you use it. Since 1984, Rev-A-Shelf has been a trusted name in home organization. We provide stylish, smart, and convenient solutions for every room in your home. Transform your kitchen with this innovative pull-out organizer. It's the smart way to keep your essential bakeware and wraps neatly stored and easily accessible. What we like. This organizer is made of durable maple wood and equipped with soft close slides, designed for full-height cabinets. It's ideal for storing baking sheets, foil, and wraps. If you appreciate a premium, smooth operating solution for organizing your kitchen essentials within taller cabinets, this wooden organizer offers both functionality and a touch of elegance. What people say. The cutting board pull-out organizer is a great addition to my kitchen. It is very sturdy and holds my cutting board securely. The organizer is easy to install and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.